Hello, I am Mrs. Aarti Shingari from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Ahmednagar, is once again with you with a new poem, Once I Saw a Little Bird. It is from Class 1 English and CERT books. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Now, in this poem, there are many new words for you, children. Bird, hop, 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 hop. Birds hop, they jump. Stop, tail. You can see in this picture, tail. Window. Now we will see the question answers. What did the child see? The child saw a little bird. See here, you can see so many birds. What was the bird doing? The bird was sitting on the window. It was sitting on the window sill. Here you see the child running after the bird. Now you have to give one word answer. You open it and you get fresh air. So what you open in the morning, early in the morning when you get up? Yes, you open your window and you get fresh air, direct sunlight in the house. Very small is a bird. And you cannot, only birds can. What can birds do? Fly, but we cannot fly. If we want to fly, we have to take the help of aeroplanes, helicopters. Match the rhyming words. Male. The rhyming word is tail. Male, tail. Hop. Stop. Flew. Do. So it is in the poem. Again, once again. Male, tail. Hop, stop. Flew, do. Then we have to find the double letter words from these words. Shook. In this one double letter word is so. You can see S-O, so. So you have to choose the alphabets from these 5 letters only. Now from S-A-W, if you will choose, you will get the word as, A-S-S. Then little, you get the word it, I-T, it. In stop, you get the word, yes, correct, T-O-2. Then in tail, you get the word I-T-A-T, at. Even IT, it you get. So IT, it, AT, at. And once you get on, so you get so, as, it, to, at, and on. Now here there is a picture of house and you have to find out the colors. Now in the box there are words given. First we will read those words. Roof, R-O-O-F, roof. Door, windows, walls, floor, plants, and dustbin. Now all are differently colored. We have to see one by one. The roof is dash red or blue, that is option given, and the correct option is ticked red. So the roof is red. The walls, you can see the walls are yellow. The windows are brown. The windows are brown. The door is blue. You can see the doors here. They are blue in color, both the doors. The dustbin is in the front here. It is pink in color. Dustbin is pink. The plants are green. and the floor is gray. So all different colors. So you must know all the colors, children. So we have finished all the exercises. I hope you enjoyed the poem. Children, learn and recite the poem. You will really enjoy it. Have a good day. Have healthy day, healthy time. Enjoy your time, but keep studying.